Nowadays, there's a very trend product, Color Fun. It's summer product and very popular now, guys. But can I sell it and make money? I will try this today because there's a many seller on TikTok and they make a ton of money, and it will be good experience for you. You can make money or not from trend product. Let's see on this video. First of all, guys, you can create ads on Facebook or you can use TikTok organic. I will use both of ways for getting traffic to my store. Creating a color fan store on Shopify can be fun and profitable venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set up your store and drive traffic to it. Choose a niche. Decide one types of color fan you want to sell. Are you focusing on desk fans, tower fans, outdoor fans, or specialty fans? Set up your Shopify store. Sign up for a Shopify account and choose suitable theme for your store. Customize it to reflect of branding and aesthetic of your color fan store. Product selection. Source high quality color fans from reliable suppliers. Ensure that your product offers good value for money and fit the needs of your target audience. You can find your product photos on Amazon, AliExpress, or some stores. Product page can create engaging and informative product page for each color fan. Include high resolution images, detailed descriptions, specifications, and other relevant information. So you can find its information or photos detailed description on Amazon. Content creation. Product high quality photos and videos showcase your color fan in action. You need this on TikTok organic page. Reviews and testimonials. Encourage satisfied customers to leave position reviews and testimonials on your product page. Social proof can significantly boost trust and credibility in your brand. Or you can find in Amazon, there's a many buyers on Amazon, many reviews. You can copy and pass on your product page. So, SEO optimization. Optimize your product page and website for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your product description, titles, and meta tags to improve your store's visibility in search engine results. You can use many keywords on your store. You can find keywords on Google or Google Trends. A compelling TikTok video to sell your product requires creativity, engagement, and authenticity. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create an effective TikTok video for promoting your color fan store. Understand your audience. Before creating your TikTok video, it's crucial to understand your target audience. What type of content resonates with them? What are their interests and pain points? Tailor your video content to appeal to their preference. Highlight unique selling points. Showcase the unique features or benefits of your color fans in your TikTok video. Highlight what sets your product apart from competitors and why viewers should consider purchasing them. Tell a story. Craft a compelling narrative or story around your color fans. Whether it's demonstrating how your fans can keep users cool during hot summer days or showcasing creative ways to use them, storytelling can captivate viewers and keep them engaged. When you're creating the video, guys, keep it short and snappy. TikTok videos have a maximum duration of 16 seconds, so make every second count. Capture viewers' attention from the start and maintain momentum through the video. Avoid unnecessary filler and focus on delivering your message consistently. Add music and effects. Use TikTok's extensive library for music tracks and effects to engage your video. Use upbeat and catchy music that complements the mood and style of your content. Experiment with filters, stickers, and visual effects to make your video good. Creating a good Facebook ad involves several key steps to ensure it captures attention, engages your target audience, and drives conversation. Define your objective, determine the goal of your Facebook ad campaign. Are you looking to drive traffic to your Shopify store, generate leads, increase sales, or boost brand awareness? Clear defining your object will guide the rest of your ad creation process. Know your audience. Identify your target audience based on demographic interests, behaviors, and purchasing intent. Use Facebook's targeting options to reach users who are likely to be interested in color fans or related products. Craft compelling ad copy. Write persuasive ad copy that highlights the benefits of your color fonts and entice viewers to take action. Keep your messaging clear, concise, and focusing on addressing your audience needs and pain points. Create eye-catching visuals, include a strong call to action, CTA, utilize ad formats, optimize for mobile, set a budget and schedule, monitor and optimize, and this everything needs only consistency working and knowledge, guys, for better Facebook ads. The end of the day, guys, I can't get any orders. There's some reasons I want to tell you from my experience. First reason is my Shopify store is full because I can't design very well because I don't have any time for these. There's many of my jobs I need to work. I need to give attentions for another my jobs, so I can't design very well, and from my ads I can't optimize very well my ads because if you are creating ads you need to be consistent and you need to have discipline. It's not 1 or 2 days job, guys. You need to wait around 1 or 2 weeks for getting statics analytics. There's some reasons why you don't get any orders from your store. My store was full and I can't optimize my store. On TikTok Organic I get some views, but I can't get any orders. The reason is very clear, guys. There's many of competitors. There's selling many of sellers available on TikTok. The cake example is very small and you can't get any piece of this cake because everyone has a share of this cake. So there's some reasons if you can't get an order from your store: poor website design, lack of trust, low website traffic, uncompetitive pricing, inefficient marketing, seasonality, technical issues, checkout process issues, and customer feedbacks.